What is going on, vlog? We are back with another video. I'm pretty sure we went to Paramount Studios for a nice little studio tour, but before we do that, and gotta get some breakfast, I think we're going to a place named Roscoe's. We're gonna head on over there now.
So, what are your thoughts on that food?
I think it was amazing.
So, basically, I would say the exact same thing. Really good. I think we're gonna go do the Paramount Studio tours now, so yeah. I'll update y'all then. So we just wrapped up the Paramount Studios tour. We're about to go walking right now. There's only certain parts you're allowed to film, so I don't know how much I'll be able to film. So if I don't get that much footage, catch y'all after. So we just got back to our room from the Paramount Studio tour. It was kind of cool, but not gonna lie, I was expecting it to be a little bit cooler, but what can you do? I think we're gonna go to the Egyptian Theater later. I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera to that because we're just seeing a movie. So gonna go do that, and then... And we are back. So just got up about half an hour ago, got ready. I don't know what we're gonna be doing today, but we're gonna go get some food and then figure out a plan, and then I'll update you guys then. So as you can tell, I'm really feeling the transitions right now. I hope that turned out good and cool. So we are back. We just got back from the Iowa Battle Destroyer. It was actually pretty cool. Now we're gonna go watch the Los Angeles Clippers play the Denver Nuggets at Staples Center. And I'm a big fan of basketball, so I'm really hyped. I got my Dwayne Wade jersey on. Hopefully he quickly just signs a 10-day with the Clippers or Nuggets and shows up and signs my jersey. No cameras though, so I'm gonna have to switch it to the iPhone vlog.
On our way to the Clippers game, let's go. Woo! Hell yeah.
Sock it to me, Jazz.
On my news, ballin' like Curry. It makes that bitch like a McFlurry. Chains icy, I'm looking furry. Hey. Yo, bitch, yeah, she purdy.
Clippers won. They won. Let's go Dwayne Wade. Let's go Heat. Woo!
So we just finished watching the game. We're outside. There's a lot of people in front of me. I don't know what they're doing.
People in the back, squeeze in. If you don't speak English, move and ask a forwarder. Okay, listen, you're in the front. Very important, you don't move. Don't move! If you move, no happy ending for you. Come and move that. Wrong show! We're not in West Hollywood anymore. Hey, don't worry. He's not gay. His boyfriend is. Hey. And please remember, there's only one race. That's the human race. That's right. And we must learn to live together and be more civilized. Make some noise, everybody. If you don't clap, you kind of look racist. Come on, people. Split up like my parents. Watch him, watch him!
That guy's drumming hard. Oh, wait, he's wearing a Virginity Rock shirt. 1 second.
just got back from the game. It was really fun. I very much enjoyed it. Clippers got the dub, and yeah, it was pretty cool. Also at the Clippers game, Kawhi, shout out to Kawhi, came in clutch. Nice Clippers backpack, and another Clippers backpack. And there were these wristbands that change colors when you click the button. So that's cool. Oh. So that's cool. Got some nice loot. So I think this is the end of the video. I hope you guys all have a good rest of your day. And yeah, catch you on the flip side though.
All my niggas ballin' like Curry. It makes that bitch like a McFlurry. Chains icy, I'm looking furry. Yo, bitch, yeah, she purry.